Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. I had invested 1,50,000 in one of the large cap stock. The stock is none other than Bharti Airtel. The stock went up more than 8%. I booked a profit close to 11,000 in this trade. So I'll explain the logic like how I entered the stock, what was my game plan behind the trade, and what was the logic that I used to take up a trade on the stock. So if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be glad to clarify your doubts. And if you want any videos regarding any topic related to trading, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be glad to do those videos. And guys, please do like and subscribe because it will help me in the algorithm because it takes a lot of work to upload a YouTube video. Hello friends, this is Bharti Airtel on weekly time frame. So what do we see on the Bharti Airtel? It's on a continuous rally, right? So we see from the low, the stock has rallied 100% return. You see, just whenever the stock gives a breakout over this place, the stock rallies, right? The stock gives around 40%. And then what do I see in this place? You see just as simple broadening patterns, right? If you don't know how to trade a broadening pattern, I've explained detailedly on my trading strategy video. Please do watch it. Then from there, the stock has been on a continuous uptrend. So what do I see on the weekly time frame? The first analysis is the stock is in an uptrend, right? Or in a bull run. So coming back to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what do I see? I see the stock made a lower low, swing low, and a swing high, right? And a swing low and a swing high. A swing low, a swing high. A swing low, a swing high. And then there was a break of this place, right? But the stock didn't close. You see the candle is not closing below this, right? The stock is not closing below this, and hence the stock went up, right? And then the stock rallied towards its high, and then there was a small little bit consolidation over this place. This was before August 14. Okay, coming back to the analysis, where did I take up a trade? I took up a trade on this just a simple looking channel pattern. You see a channel pattern, right, over this place on daily time frame. What do we see in this place? So we see one touch here, second, third, and a fourth and a fifth, right? Five touches on the downside. And what do we see on the top? We see one, two, three, four, and a five. So where did I take up a trade? I just took the trade when I do have this one, a good support on the bottom, right? You see a triangle pattern over this place, right? So where did I enter? In the rewind mode. So when I play the data, okay, I exactly entered over this place, and I kept my stop loss below this candle, and my target was just this one, 1:2. And then what happened? You see the stock is going up, right? The stock is going up, going up, going up, going up. Okay, exactly here at this place, at this green color candle. You see a green color candle right over this place. I exited 50% of my quantities at this place. Coming back to the lower time frame, so exactly at this place I exited 60% of my quantities. I kept my trailing stop loss over this place, and it hit my trailing stop loss, and hence I made more than 10,500 in this trade. If you have any doubts on this video, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be glad to clarify your doubts, and thank you guys for watching.